Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. In today's Tuesday tips, we are going to see how to make a bulk yarn using lightweight yarn. So I have already done the video on that. It's another way of doing it. Let me show you how to do that. So in this method, you can use a multi-color or a single color. So right now you can see I have used three different three different woolen balls. Okay, so I have white and then I have red and green. So if you want to make a jumbo yarn, you can use 3 more strings. So right now we are going to go with 3. So first let's start with a slip knot. So one slip knot is done. Here you can see I'm going to use a 6mm hook. Okay, so the same way how you used to do it with a lightweight yarn, the same way you're going to just start with the stitches. So right now I'm making a chain stitch. So if you see here, stitches are quite big, which is quite similar to the one which you do with a bulky yarn. So this is an easy way to do it instead of buying a bulky yarn which you won't use it much. So this is how you do a bulky yarn with a lightweight one. If you find this video helpful, do share, like and subscribe, and do click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.